In this video today, I'm going to practically show you step-by-step process on how to record high-quality YouTube videos with your mobile phone. So without wasting much of your time, let's go to the practical aspect of this video. So the first step in creating high-quality YouTube videos with your mobile phone is to prepare your phone. Before you click record, ensure you clean your camera lens. There are a lot of us that create videos and end up seeing it blurry simply because we did not clean our camera lens. So once you clean your camera lens, you now go to your setting and set your camera for 1080p or 4K if you have that available on your phone. So once you do that setting, another thing you need to do is to ensure you use your rear camera, the back of your phone. It will give you higher quality than the front. But if you are more comfortable filming with the front camera, you can still do that. Okay. And then another thing you need to do to prepare your phone for recording is to ensure you turn on do not disturb, because you wouldn't want to start filming with your mobile phone and then calls will start coming in. You can either put do not disturb or put your phone on the flight mode. The second step in creating high quality YouTube videos with your mobile phone is get a good background or lighting. Okay, before you click record, check the background of where you are filming. Ensure that if there are clutters, you remove them. And then secondly, get a good light. Like this video now, I'm filming it without any ring light, just natural light. All you need to do is open your window and face the light. Like this one now is my door. I'm facing my parlor door directly as I'm filming this video. So you can just turn around in that area to see, be it in your room or your window or your parlor, wherever you are filming. Ensure you just take round and see the angle that is brightest in your room, most especially if you cannot afford ring light. And if you have ring light, that is another plus for you. But this video is just to remind you that you can use what you have, for what you have is more than enough. The third step in creating high quality YouTube videos with your mobile phone is stability. Before you click record, ensure you have gotten a stable ground for your phones, that you can use stock of books. This is how I started. You can use stock of books like this video now. I'm creating it simply without using any tripod stand, any ring light, all just so that I can show you what is possible. You can put either stock of books or you can even put your phone on your laptop if you have one, just to help you get stability, because you wouldn't want to create video and then it will now be shaky, which will turn off people from your channel. And another thing again is in getting stability, when you are filming your video for YouTube, always use landscape instead of the portrait. Okay, use landscape because you wouldn't want to get your video looking this way. Like, I don't have someone telling me all this when I get started. So except if your videos are the type of shorts and or your niche requires videos in portrait. If not, always record your video in landscape while you are getting stability for your video. The fourth step in creating high quality YouTube videos with your mobile phone is ensure you get a good audio. So how do you do that if you cannot afford microphone? The first thing is ensure you get a quiet place in the house, or you can let people know, people that are around you, that you want to start filming. Please, they should less their noise. Ensure you don't have a noisy background. And again, you can alternatively, you can even use your earpiece. It will enhance your audio quality. Another thing you can also do if you don't have a microphone is you can come closer to your phone while you are filming your videos. But you can always get a lavalier microphone. You can get lavalier microphone from 7,500 naira. That's like around $5 just to get started, because it's even better if people cannot see you clearly. Maybe you don't have a good camera or you cannot film a clear camera, but they can hear you. So audio is very, very important when shooting your YouTube video. Like in this video now, I'm using microphone, but this is how it sounds without the microphone. The fifth step into creating high quality YouTube videos with your mobile phone is plan what you will say before you hit record. You can just simply get a pen and a paper and get a bullet point of what you are going to say. Keep it very close to you where you can be seeing it without turning left and right while you are filming. And in creating your content, ensure you have a hook, then the content, then call to action. And a bonus tip that I have for you is always know that the delete button is available. Nobody gets it right all the time. As you start filming, please, if you make mistake, just stop, breathe in and out, look at your points, and then continue. I can't begin to tell you how many times I made mistake before I get this video. So always know that the delete button still exists, and you can actually always edit your video. So while filming, look straight into the camera. If I do like this now, I'm looking at my phone, not my lens. So if I do like this, I'm looking directly into my lens. If I look like this, I'm looking down. So another bonus tip I will tell you is you should always smile. If you have not liked this video by this time, please, I don't know what you are still waiting for. So always speak clearly and smile, and don't bother yourself about your excuse. You can always edit. So once you have finished filming your video, you should save your videos. In my next video, I'll be showing you practically how I edit my video. If that is what you are interested in, please let me know in the comment section. Just comment, I'm ready for the editing video, so that the moment I film that video, I can come and reply to you in the comment section of the video. So this video, I created it is inspired by the 30 days YouTube growth challenge that we are constantly running. So this is our day 3. It doesn't matter when you are watching this video, you can check the description of this video to join the challenge, okay, so that you can learn, you can meet like-minded persons that can help you in that group. So until I come your way again in my next video, do have a wonderful day. Bye.